What is Afghanistan's primary transportation method? Short answer, road transport is Afghanistan's primary way of moving people and goods. As a landlocked country with almost no functional rail beyond the short Hazaratan-Mazar-e-Sharif line and limited, costly domestic air links, highways and secondary roads do nearly all the heavy lifting. Think of the Ring Road and its spurs as the nation's bloodstream. Trucks hauled trade between border crossings, shared taxis and minibuses shuttle families between provinces, and in rural districts, motorcycles, donkeys, and even camels still bridge the last mile. The catch? Decades of conflict, harsh weather, and underfunded maintenance leave many segments potholed, unpaved, or unsafe, driving up transport costs and stretching trips into marathons. I've watched convoys creep along cratered stretches between Kabul and the north, proof that Afghanistan's economic future hinges on building, securing, and maintaining a reliable road network.